Grade 10 Physics, Chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction, Module 7. Objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to find a refractive index of a medium, to identify convex and concave lenses, to draw the rules for the formation of images by a lens. Refractive index. The refractive index of a medium gives an indication of the light bending ability of a medium. Refractive index is represented by the letter N. Now let us discuss about the refractive index and speed of light. The material through which light travels is called medium. Light is refracted in going from one medium to another because its speed changes. Due to this, the refractive index can be written as a ratio of speeds of light in the two media. Suppose a light ray is going from medium 1 to medium 2. Now, the refractive index of the medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. That is, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. Also, which is equal to V1 by V2, where V1 and V2 are the speeds of light in the two media. When light is going from one medium other than vacuum or air to another medium, then the value of refractive index is called relative refractive index. When light is going from vacuum to another medium, then the value of refractive index is called absolute refractive index. N is equal to C by V, where N is the refractive index and C is the speed of light in vacuum and V is equal to speed of light in medium. Let's have a problem now. Light enters from air into glass plate having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? We have refractive index N is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. By substituting the values, N is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 by V is equal to 1.5. That is, V equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 by 1.5, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Now, refraction of light by spherical lenses. The working of a lens is based on the refraction of light rays when they pass through it. A lens is a piece of transparent glass bound by two spherical surfaces. There are two types of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens. A convex lens is thick at the center but thinner at the edges. Concave lens. A concave lens is thin in the middle but thicker at the edges. This is the diagrammatical representation of convex and concave lenses. Optical center and principal axis of a lens. The center point of a lens is known as its optical center, is represented by the letter C. The principal axis of a lens is a line passing through the optical center of the lens and perpendicular to both the faces of the lens. The principal focus of a convex lens is a point on its principal axis to which light rays parallel to the principal axis converge after passing through the lens. A lens has two foci. The two foci of a lens are at equal distances from the optical center, one on either side of the lens. The focal length of a lens is the distance between optical center and principal focus of the lens. A convex lens is also known as a converging lens because it converges a parallel beam of light rays passing through it. A concave lens diverges parallel beam of light rays. The principal focus of a concave lens is a point on its principal axis from which light rays originally parallel to the axis appear to diverge after passing through the concave lens. A concave lens is also known as diverging lens because it diverges a parallel beam of light rays. A concave lens has a virtual focus. Now, rules for obtaining images formed by lenses. We have already studied some rules for the formation of images by mirrors. There are similar rules for constructing ray diagrams for obtaining images by lenses. These are: the first one, a ray of light parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus. In the case of a concave lens, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis appears to be coming from its focus after refraction through the lens. The second rule, Rule 2, a ray of light passing through focus will become parallel to principal axis. In the case of a concave lens, a ray of light going towards the focus of a concave lens becomes parallel to its principal axis after refraction through the lens. And Rule 3, ray of light passing through optical center will emerge without deviation. In this module, you have learned about refractive index and speed of light, refraction through lenses, rules for the formation of images by lenses.